So today, I'm gonna. God. Okay. So today, we're writing something that you probably already saw. I don't know. But actually, clear. Did you know what? Oh, you're so. That way. This way. Oh no, you might be able to see it. There we go. Okay, so now it's. Oh, hi, Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi, Chi-Chi. Yeah, okay. That was my dog tag. Hopefully she doesn't go in the way. I'm going to ride my dirt bike for couple minutes, and I want to show you. But it keeps turning. That doesn't affect it. I can turn it on and off and stuff. So I can record it fine, but it just turns off and on. Stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started. Oh god, no. Gigi, move. Oh god, I want to see your butt cheek. Are you eating grass? You're not a horse or a pig. Oh god. You better work. gotta move something. My oil and gas thing. Oh yeah, guys, I didn't show you. But they ain't the only dirt bike I have. I have another dirt bike also. Interruption. Funny. How do I turn this thing? Boom. Nothing. This. This is also mine. I don't know how to ride it yet correctly, so yeah. Know how to ride it. Nothing. Should be right here, but it's not. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, that's my dirt bike. Yeah, peace, guys.